Hey y'all, it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel. This video is a Target plus size try on haul. So I opted to order from Target's website versus inside the dressing room this go round because my Target, while they do have a plus size section, they don't really have a lot of stuff. Granted, the stuff that they do have I really like, but it doesn't give me a lot to choose from. So I opted for Target.com for this haul. I have quite a few things. I think I have 10 items, and I ordered things from each section. I feel like I have bottoms, I have sweaters, I have coats, I have tops. I tried to get a good roundabout of items from different categories to give you a true idea of what they have. So what we'll do in this video, I'll try everything on. I'll put the brand, the name, and the size on the screen. I'll also link everything that I'm trying on in the description box down below, as well as my measurements. That way it's there. If there's something that you see that you like and you want, there's a direct link for you to get it. These more affordable winter try-on hauls y'all seem to really like, so hopefully Target is one that you've been looking forward to. I know it's one that I've been looking forward to. Target is sort of a go-to for me if I need something really quick. I know that I can go in store, they have brands that I like, sizes that fit me really well, and they're not going to break the bank. So a lot of times I'll run in there if I need a top for work, or if I'm going out somewhere and I don't like what I've picked out, you know what I'm saying. So Target I really like. Hopefully you enjoy this video. We'll try everything on. We'll talk about it in real time. A couple things I'm really excited for because I have a pair of shoes almost exactly like the ones the model was wearing for one of these dresses. So I'm excited to pair it and see if it's something that I would like. So let's get into the try on. Okay, first item we're going to start out with is a sweater dress. This is the brand Prologue in a size extra, extra large. I'm pretty sure. I went with a Prologue brand because last time I was in store, Prologue had these oversized cropped sweaters that fit in their extra, extra large. So I wanted to give this sweater dress a go. Okay, so it's a little bit like a Bodycon type sweater dress, but I really love the color. I think the quality, it's short, yes. I think the quality is really nice. It's a great fit up top, and I think it looks great, but the bottom is it's just a little bit tight for my liking. But if you're into this Bodycon type, look, I think it's adorable. Pair it with, I brought in some booties that I already own to pair it with and see if that makes a difference. So here we are with the booties. Does it make a difference? I mean, it's kind of cute. It's short. Don't get me wrong, it is short, but I think the booties kind of give you a look, you know what I'm saying? Since we already have the booties on, I want to do this next dress. I was so excited for this, and the model on the website was wearing this really pretty leopard print dress with booties. So let's put this one on. So this is the Ava and Viv dress. It's called Maple Syrup. I'm pretty sure it's in a size 1X, and I got the 1X because sometimes with Ava and Viv, the 2X dresses are a little bit big. This one I think is an okay fit. It is a little bit snug. All right, so here we go with the booties. I don't know if the length is the most flattering for me. I like the dress. In theory, it's a little bit tight on the bust area. I love how it's got this elastic around the wrists. I think that makes it really cute. It does have a tie belt that I just tied. It also has this cinching in right here. And I think that's a good spot for the cinch. I think that's a very flattering spot to cinch, though it is a little bit high. Maybe it's meant to be more cinched in there. It has pockets, by the way. Didn't know that. It's always a nice added extra when you get a dress and it has pockets. So I like it when I'm looking at myself in it, but I don't know, is the length weird? So next thing is an outfit, and the jeans I feel is what you really want to see. This top, I really like the color. It's a really soft olive color top. It's in a size 3X Ava and Viv. I love the high neck, but the jeans. Okay, here we go. They are flare, knee distressed jeans. These are Universal Thread is the brand. They're in a size 22. They feel amazing. They fit so well. Like, they're not snug anywhere. I mean, I've even got like a little bit of extra room right here. Oh my gosh. These, I went with this like weird color, like not the typical dark denim or light denim, because I don't think that I own anything in this color. So the jeans fit really nice. I like them. This top is just basic olive top. I like it. I really like tops like this for work. I think that they're easy to throw on with a pair of like dress pants and flats, and you're good to go. So I may end up keeping the top and the jeans. I don't know if I need to size down. They're super high-waisted, by the way. My belly button is here, so that's a good couple of inches, which I like, but things that are super high-waisted, I've realized, like, when you sit down, it does, like, cause a little bit of pain if they're, like, a weird height. And then you can kind of see a little bit right there. But for the most part, overall, I really like the way that they look at the bottom, like, the shape that they give me. Y'all, listen, this next top, I branched out. It's a brand that I've never tried. Zoe and Liv, it's in an extra, extra large. But I thought, well, we'll see. And it doesn't fit. Yeah, it's like way too small. It's too small in the arms and the chest. Like, it's just tight everywhere. So unfortunately, this one's a no-go. These types of tops I've really, look at her. I've really been into lately, like this, like mock neck, I guess. I kept a purple one from Land's End. I'm pretty sure that I love. This color is so pretty. So this is Ava and Viv in a size 3X. I think it fits really well. It's also so soft. Like, this is such a nice, like, quality top. And the color, like, it screams like fall and winter to me. You could pair this with anything. Like, I have a cardigan too, so we'll go ahead and throw this one on. This is the brand Ava and Viv in a size 2X. It looks like it might have a little bit of extra fabric. Like around, yeah. Okay, here we go. It's a cardigan. I don't have a black one. Like, I have green and orange and tan, gray, I'm pretty sure. But I don't have a black one. So that's why I went with black, because you can pair this with so many things. Like this with a pair of like dark denim and little black booties would be so cute. Okay, I have 3 things left. 2 of them you're about to see right now. This sweater is Universal Thread 3X teal long sleeve hoodie. It's gorgeous. The pants I am wearing are called Ebony Solid Ankle. They're Prologue in a size 1X, and they zip on the side. So let's do the sweatshirt first. I love the color. I think it's really pretty. It's like a different cut than like a typical hoodie that would just come in like to a V. So I think that's different. It's not cropped, but it's not like super long. I mean, kind of it is a little bit cropped. The cat is like sitting right there. All right, so is it cropped? Is it dirty? No, it's very soft. It's very comfortable. And I don't have one this color. I found too that I tend to wear these a lot with like jeans in the cooler months with just sneakers because they're just comfortable. Now let's do these pants. These are comfortable. They like pull all the way up high-waisted. They do have like a bit of elastic around the waistband, no pockets, nothing, but they have like a little zipper at the bottom. These are like nice pants. Like, these could be good for work with like boots or something, or if you're not comfortable wearing leggings, because sometimes you can see through leggings. These are a great option because they are so thick. And there you go, I just unzipped one side. So that's what it looks like if you unzip the sides, which these are comfortable. Okay, I like these. And the last thing we have is this like Ava and Viv. It's like teddy coat Sherpa material, just a pullover with like a little bit of a mock neck. In a size 3X, by the way. It does have a couple little slits. This is nice because it's cozy and like oversized enough to where you could wear it with leggings. Like, it's long. So if you wanted to just wear this with some leggings and some like sneakers or something when it's cold outside, It's not super soft on the inside, in my opinion anyways. So it's okay. I honestly thought that I would like this one a lot more, but I don't know. It's okay. It's okay. So now that we have seen everything, let's talk about it. The one thing that I really, really like the most would probably be this olive green top, because I know that I'll get a lot of wear out of it. I also do really like this orange one, and I know that I'll get a lot of wear out of that. The jeans, I think, are a little bit weird with the like cut right at the knee. So I think, unfortunately, those are going to be a no. The black cardigan I just spotted again could be like a good option for me because I don't have one that color. But let me tell you, I have so many like winter items in this closet over here, and it's cold for maybe a month where I live. So I don't need that much stuff. But these two are like, this is a great transition because it's that thin material. This one is just a great top that I know that I'll wear. And it was $9. So now that I'm a sweaty mess, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Everything that I tried on, I will link it in the description box down below, as well as prices. Let me know what you liked, what you didn't like. That's a wrap. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.